Hello guys, welcome to a new video from me. In this video we are going to talk about the hibernation upgrades that I did on the car. I sadly lost all my GoPro footage that I did, so I'm just gonna do a new video about everything, but I just can't do a video about unboxing the stuff and putting the stuff back in the car, but I hope you're still going to enjoy that. So guys, here we are. I finished the last stuff for the car to reveal the upgrades. I just had to replace the handbrake holders. As you can see right here, the right side broke off, so I just had to replace them really quick. And we also rebleed the brakes completely, the whole system again, because I think I had some air a little bit inside, but I hope it's going to be fine now. So now to the upgrades, guys. Everything that I'm gonna show you guys is from AM Motorsports, so big thanks to them. I have the brake kit from them, the AP Racing Pro 5000R with 345mm discs. I'm just gonna put it in the screen what discs and pads I have inside. We are also running a Nitron R3 suspension from them. Thanks a lot to AM Motorsports and Nitron Suspension for supplying the stuff for me. I really appreciate it. That's some sick stuff right there. Really stoked to go on track this year, guys. We have the piggybacks on the front right there, left, right side. Everything else is pretty the same. Left side of the car, it's really good stuff. We have the rear side of the car. We have also some DBA discs and I think Pawgate brake pads, but I'm also gonna blend it in everything. The Nitron R3 suspension right here, as you can see, guys. I love it. And here are the piggybacks on the rear, guys. I mounted them like this. I might gonna change the mounting style later on, probably. Not so happy with it yet. Here's the right side. It's really good, guys. So with that, guys, I think that's going to be it, because I didn't change anything else for this season. The car still looks the same like the last time, but I hope you're going to enjoy the future videos. We are going to the racetrack a lot, guys. Like, I have 4 racetracks booked this year. We're going to Anneau du Rhin, or however you call it, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, and the Dijon slaloms. I have to look if I'm able to get there still. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. So guys, we are testing the suspension right now. I made the dampers softer and also the piggybacks, I made them a lot softer. So guys, this clip is like few weeks older than the clip you saw. Like, I'm recording that in the future. We are test driving the suspension and the brakes. Like, I changed some damper settings. Like, I made it pretty soft right now because it was just too hard, like the little bumps, in my opinion. And now I just made the piggybacks very soft. Like, high is very soft and low is like 6 clicks less soft than on max. So we're gonna just test drive it and see how the car feels, get a feel for the car. So I'm really stoked for it. The wet, as you can see, the street, as you can see, guys, is wet, so I have to be careful. We don't have much grip. And it's also pretty cold outside, like 6-7 degrees outside temperatures. So yeah, we have to chill a little bit just to get a feel for the car. when it's wet, it's like insane. Yeah, the car is just sliding, like it's very wild. I know it's not the best weather condition to test drive something like that, but I just want to get a feel for the car differently than always on how you say it, if it's not wet, like on normal surface. Like I want to get a feel for the car when the street is wet, how the car acts, what it does. Feels amazing like this for the street. I would say having the piggybacks on fully soft, like almost fully soft, is 10 out of 10, to be honest. Like no joke, that's, you feel everything on the street. It's so precise, like big difference to before. Like no, that's uncomparable, guys. Like I said, I didn't filmed anything before, but you can trust me that that is really, really good how it is right now, like this. I have to say, guys, the soft setup I did now with the dampers and the piggybacks, like, is pretty damn good for the street. Like I feel every single bit of the street, and it just drives so good. Like it's amazing. I probably have to wash the car when I get home. Like I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, it's pretty nasty. But I think I'm already gonna stop and end the video here, guys. I just want to take you with me for a quick test drive with the soft settings. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the upgrades, guys, that I showed you, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream